My older brother was murdered in the streets of East Oakland in 2002. That year, Oakland was #1 as the murder capital. My older brother was a black man who was murdered by a black man. If you lost a loved one due to black on black violence, I know how you feel. I know your pain. Family. Black on black violence is a serious problem within our community. How can we have a community when we are murdering each other? I say this out of love. As a mulatto, being mixed, being light-skinned, I love our community. I love our people. Let's stop hating one another. Let's stop killing one another. Let's stop murdering one another. You have white on white violence. You have Asian on Asian violence. You have Hispanic on Hispanic violence. However, it's the rate at which we are killing one another. I understand that it's not entirely our fault. Let's be the change. Let's create the change that we want to see. Instead of pointing the finger and blaming everybody else, we have to take a stand. The solution to black on black violence is to return to Yah. Yah is the name of our Creator. And I'm not saying to just believe, because I'm not talking about religion, fam. I'm talking about a relationship with Yah. We must turn to our Creator. And we must embrace the culture that was given to us by our Creator. What culture? Not that culture that we see on the media. Definitely not that. Our culture is Torah. The Torah is the solution to black on black violence. For Torah, it's a lifestyle. It's not a set of beliefs. Family, it's a way of life. The Torah will bring our community all the solutions that we desire to see. The Torah will bring us health, wealth, relationships. Let's return to Yah. all of our heart, all of our soul, all of our might. Let's love Yah with all of our heart, soul, and might. Let's love our neighbor, which includes our community. Let's love the stranger. Let's love our people as we love ourselves. All glory to our great King.